Hello there, today in this script I'll be showing you how to use if statements. First, add a part and add a script into it so I can show you. So basically, first, so we're going to be checking. So with if statements, if the value in between them is true, then the code inside will run. So we'll set the code that will run to display this is we'll set the part's transparency to 1 so it becomes invisible. So this, if you run this if statement, which says true in here, then the part will become invisible. If you set it to false, the part will stay visible. You can also do some advanced checks, like reading properties. So you can go script.parent dot and say the name of the part, and you can check using these two equal signs if it equals a certain value. For example, invisible. And if you run that, your part will stay the same. But if you rename your part invisible and run that, it will become transparent. And that is the end of the script bit. Bye, and thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next one.